And maging yung mga dumadalo ay maganap at dito po sa ating paglipat sa Bulwagong Balagtas, mas paliwanag, mas malaki at mas maluwag yung party ng mga nagtagyata at mga nagsisigalo dahil mas malaki. Anyway, ito pong ating tema, Christ power as the answer, multiplying the harvest, Acts chapter 1 verse 8. Kung inyong papansinin, ay mahalaga na you all the Holy Spirit. You will receive power when the Holy Spirit comes upon you. Ang dahilan, sabi, and you will be my witnesses, telling people about me everywhere. In Jerusalem, geographic po yan, Jerusalem, throughout Judea, in Samaria, and to the ends of the earth. So hindi lamang doon sa ating